Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today this video is about Microsoft's Windows 11 Insider Preview build, 25281, which is released to the dev channel. Starting with this build, Microsoft is beginning to try out different treatments for how Windows Spotlight looks. Insiders in the dev channel will see different treatments across their PCs, so not everyone will see the same thing, and the treatments will be shown in English only. Moving forward, tabs in Notepad have begun rolling out to Windows Insiders in the dev channel. So, these were two of the features, which is introduced to this build. Talking about the changes and improvements. For the setting up, aligning with the new Windows 11 design principles, Microsoft redesigned the graphics settings page under Settings, Display, Graphics, to help you get to graphics configurations such as GPU preference and auto HDR with greater ease. Also, when removing a paired Bluetooth device from Settings, Bluetooth, and Devices, it will no longer pop up a prompt to confirm before removing it. So these were the changes and improvements made to this build. Moving forward and talking about fixes, for taskbar, and system tray fixes, updated the printer icon in the system tray when printing something, so it better aligns with other modern icons. Also, when navigating the taskbar using Win+D and arrow keys, the position of the app icon should now be called out by narrator. For File Explorer, updated the error dialog when network discovery is off so that it points to the correct location to enable it. Also, fixed an Explorer.exe crash which could happen when closing File Explorer. For Settings app fixes, fixed an issue where SSID wasn't being populated on the Properties page for your Wi-Fi and network and internet settings. In the scenario where you are prompted with the UAC dialog, when switching a network between private and public, that UAC dialog should now come to the foreground rather than being behind other windows. Also, fixed an issue where quick settings might not be able to reopen after going to the Wi-Fi section and closing the flyout. For windowing fixes, right-clicking a snap group in Task View and selecting Show this group on all desktops shouldn't crash Explorer.exe anymore. Lastly, talking about the other fixes, fixed an issue where narrator wasn't announcing when the It Mentions window popped up in Outlook. Fixed an issue that could cause some app uninstalls to get stuck and fail the uninstall in the last few builds. Fixed an issue which was causing the Windows Print Queue window to crash sometimes in recent builds. Fixed an issue which could cause SQL Server Management Studio to fail to launch.